The lifting hook 60 or the crane sling 60 are an effective way of unloading a truck or of moving a stack of imperial panels on a job site. The lifting hook 60 can be used with any 4-way lifting device with at least a rating of 4,400 pounds. Always use 4 hooks at a time. The load capacity of lifting hooks is 2,200 pounds. The maximum stack height is 10 panels, and the maximum stack weight is 4,400 pounds, because the capacity of 2 hooks are taken into account that are doing the lifting. The other 2 hooks are just for stabilizing the stack. The lifting hooks must be checked before each use for any damages, and the eccentric part of the lifting hook must rotate under its own dead weight. If necessary, clean and grease the lifting hooks. To attach the lifting hook, turn the lever so that the eccentric end of the lifting device is level with the hook. You can then insert the hook into a transportation hole of the panel. After taking out some of the slack of your sling, check to make sure that each hook is safely locked before lifting. When transporting several panels at a time, the stack must be secured against displacement by using a tensioning belt, banding, or by using 2 Dewey dag rods with flange nuts. With the 4,400 pound capacity, examples of possible panel stacks include 3 8x12 panels, 4 8x8 panels, 6 4x12 multi-purpose panels, or 10 4x8 panels. To check the lifting hooks, you want to check them for cracks to the weld seams. You want to check them for any elongation, such as the attachment hole here. You want to make sure there's no concrete or residue of dirt to the lifting hook. You want to make sure that the eccentric end of the lifting hook is mobile and that the weighted lever end falls under its own dead weight into the locked position. You want to make sure that the eccentric end and that the lever end are in the same position, so that when you have the hook in the open position, that the lever is at the top, and when it's in the locked position, that you have the lever in the bottom. If this eccentric end is not moving freely, then you can start by greasing the lifting hook. You also want to make sure that the hexagonal nut is firmly attached and that you don't have any corrosion or any pitting of the lifting hook. If you have any of these damages, do not use the hook.